How to fix Telegram bot not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can fix the Telegram bot not working. So let's go ahead and look out for how we can fix that issue. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, you may just simply launch the Telegram application and head over to the menu bar at the top left corner and look out for settings here. After going to the settings, you're just going to scroll a bit until you're able to find the option called data and storage here. Just click on it, and after getting here, you're just gonna go ahead and look out for the option called storage usage, which is easily available, which is on the very first option. Just click on it, and after doing so, you're just gonna clear the cache of the particular app. Just clear the cache and wait for the cache to be cleared, and then you're just gonna go ahead and close your app. And then you're just going to close your app and wait for a few seconds. And after that is done, just go ahead and open up your Telegram again. So that's how you basically fix the Telegram bot not working on a device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.